That's Lola. She's our English bulldog. My name is Raquel, and I live in Queens, New York with my wife, and I make cloth dolls. That's my desk. That's me. Okay. In all seriousness, my wife and I were talking the other day about how when we were growing up, being gay was something bad, and it was something that you didn't talk about. Growing up feeling like some part of you was wrong was really painful. I think that if I would have had a doll or a book or some sort of representation of the LGBT community, I would have grown up a little happier. And it's not just me who thinks this. In the 1940s, there was this test conducted by two psychologists. They showed African American children two dolls, a white doll and a black doll. They asked the kids about the dolls, and the African American children attributed all of the bad qualities to the black doll and all of the good qualities to the white doll. And then when the kids were asked, okay, now which doll do you look like, they became very upset because they had to identify with the doll they just rejected. What this study teaches us is that representation matters to a child's self-esteem and self-identity. But what's even more important is that when we present a child with a toy or a doll that looks like them, we need to make sure that the child attributes good qualities to that doll. So it's really important for us to talk to our children about diversity, stereotypes, inclusion, and I make dolls that can help you start that conversation. My dolls are one of a kind, and they're made to reflect the diversity in modern communities. I can make a doll that looks like someone in your very special family. Our dolls are a great gift that say, "You're beautiful, just the way you are." Thank you for stopping by our shop.